In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Salesforce. This is a straightforward process, but it requires a few specific steps to ensure everything is done correctly. So, let's get started and make sure you know exactly what to do. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. It's important to make sure that you're logged in with System Administrator access. This is a crucial step because only users with admin privileges can manage other users and make changes to their status. Once you've logged in with the necessary permissions, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, take a look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. You'll find a gear icon there. This icon is your gateway to the settings you need, so go ahead and click on that gear icon. After clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Setup. This option will take you to a more detailed settings area, where you can manage various aspects of your Salesforce environment, including user management. Once you're in advanced setup, direct your attention to the Quick Find box. This is a super handy search tool that makes navigating Salesforce much more efficient. Type the word Users into the Quick Find box. After typing, you'll notice a section titled Users. Go ahead and click on this to open the User Management page. Now that you're on the User Management page, you should be able to see a list of all users associated with your Salesforce account. Your next task is to locate the specific user you want to deactivate. You might need to scroll through your list or use the filtering options to find the correct user. Once you have found the user, you'll need to click on the Edit link next to their name. This action opens the user's settings page, where you can make necessary changes to their account details. While on the user's settings page, you'll see a checkbox labeled Active. To deactivate the user, you'll need to uncheck this box. Deactivating a user prevents them from logging into the Salesforce system and removes their access to the platform's resources. After unchecking the Active box, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This is a crucial step as it ensures that the changes you've made are applied and the user is officially deactivated. And that's it! You've now successfully deactivated a user in Salesforce. Remember, deactivating a user is not the same as deleting them, as their historical data and records remain in the system for reporting and auditing purposes. This process enhances security and ensures that only active, authorized users have access to your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.